Hi friends, so in Linux and Unix we can use this which command to find where this executable is located. For example, I want to find the location where this Python executable is located. So I can run which Python in Linux and Unix. So it's showing, so this is a location where you can find this Python exe, Python binary. For example, slash usr bin. So this is a path. So this way we can find the location of any executable in Linux and Unix using which command. So if we go to the Windows, so in Windows, if you type which Python, I want to find where Python is installed. It's showing which is not recognized as internal or external command. So in Windows, we need to use where. So it will show where actually python.exe is located. For example, where pip3. So in Windows, we can use where command to find actually where a particular executable is stored. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.